Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this episode 3 we're going to go over your first basic Expert Advisor. So before we start, I would appreciate it if you would hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and just make sure you watch it to the end because I've got some tips and tricks for you. They'll help in programming your Expert Advisor. With all that said and done, let's get it. In this episode we're going to go over building your first Expert Advisor. This is your bare screen on the MetaTrader 4 platform. All I've done is deleted the chart, so we are working with the basics. What you want to do first of all is just go Control N, bring up your navigator window. You'll get your accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and scripts. What you want to do from here is right click on Expert Advisor, go down to where it says here, create in Meta Editor. This is the wizard window. So this is where you can select what you want. You can, custom indicators, scripts, make libraries, classes, Python scripts, database. We're just going to focus on the Expert Advisor template. Press next, and then this window will appear. This is the general properties for the Expert Advisor. For this demonstration, we'll just call this file basic_EA. All this will appear on the Expert Advisor. So let's just go next. We won't worry about any of this now. We'll get to this in a different video. Finish. And there you have it. That is your basic Expert Advisor. So with this basic template, we can compile this right now and it will return no error. So we go up here to File, go down to Compile, or press F7, go Compile. See, it returns no error. It's ready to go. Right now you could deploy this EA onto a chart and it would run. Okay, which I'll show you right now. You can get back to the chart by pressing F4. F4 and F7 are some of the main keys you'll use. So we'll jump over to the chart by F4. Come up here and click this little button that says create new chart. You can pick any chart you would like. Once you have a chart, and then go over to your basic EA, click and drag it onto the screen. This window will appear, which is the properties of the Expert Advisor. Just press OK, and there it is. Your EA is running on this chart. You can tell with a little smiley face. Just make sure you've got this auto trade on, off, on. Now with that running, we can remove the EA by right clicking, coming down to Expert Advisor, remove. Now we'll press F4 and go back to the editor. In this basic Expert Advisor template, you got three main functions. The onInit function, which is the initialize function, the dinit function, which is deinitialization function, and the onTick, which will run on every tick that comes through. So with that, just come up here to the onInitialization. We're just going to type comment, get this printed off onto our chart. We will do the basic hello world, double quotes, and then you must have a semicolon at the end, and then hit F7 and compile, returns no errors, then hit F4, go back to the chart, deploy that Expert Advisor, press OK, the EA is running, and there it is, hello world. You've just written your first line of code with this basic Expert Advisor. Okay, now we'll just move on to some tips and tricks that will help you edit and code a bit more efficient. We know we can jump in and out back to the editor by pressing F4 and F7 for compiling. So you can just come in here, so you can play around with this, just jump back up into, type anything in here, press F7 compile, press F4 back to the chart, and there it is. Okay, now we'll just hit 4 and go back to the editor, just delete this out, F7, F4. So I'm going to leave you with that. In the next couple of episodes we'll jump right into the coding and we'll break down the Expert Advisor. So stay tuned. Please hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.